Hiya, my name's Gail Penberthy and I'm here from Endless Thread Designs, and I'm super excited today to share with you my new Christmas cushions. In my range I've got Mr. Claus, and then we've got Mr. McFreeze, the snowman, and finally I've just finished Candy Cottage, which I particularly like with the lovely glitter felt. So what I want to do today is I want to share with you just some hints and tips on how I constructed these. And here we can see, if I just bring in the little Santa nose, you can see how we've got these lovely sharp points. And then that's all I've done is I've made a little incision in the back, pulled the two layers apart, made a little incision in the back, and then stuffed. So that's how I did the little moustache for Santa. And if I just bring in this now, you can see this is how I did the snow for the cushion.